Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Akron OH, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are going to unpack a phrase you hear everywhere: low-maintenance decking. If you are hoping for a deck you barely have to think about, this episode will give you a realistic picture of what different materials can and cannot do. Let us start with traditional wood. A wood deck can look great and feel comfortable, but it needs regular attention. That usually means cleaning, staining, and sealing on a schedule, especially in a climate with strong sun, rain, and snow. If that schedule slips, the surface can start to crack, peel, or grow mildew, and repairs get more involved. Composite decking was designed to reduce a lot of that work. Capped composite boards have a protective outer layer that helps resist moisture and staining. You do not have to stain or seal them the way you do with wood, which is why many people call them low maintenance. But low maintenance does not mean no maintenance. You still need to clean the surface, keep gaps clear, and pay attention to drainage. Brands like Trex have become popular because they balance durability, appearance, and ease of care. With these products, routine maintenance often looks like a gentle wash a few times a year with the right cleaners, a quick check for any damage, and making sure nearby landscaping is not trapping moisture against the structure. You are not dealing with peeling stain, but you are still being a good caretaker of the space. Railings, fascia, and stair parts are part of the picture too. If you choose low-maintenance deck boards but keep wood railings that need paint, you still have regular work ahead. Matching your railing system and trim to your deck surface, whether that means composite, metal, or a mix, can help you cut down on future scraping and repainting. Another thing to remember is that structure always needs attention, no matter what surface you pick. Posts, beams, and joists should be checked from time to time to make sure connections are solid and moisture is not causing damage. Low-maintenance decking on top does not fix weak framing underneath. That is why we focus on both the materials you see and the structure below. If you are unsure which option fits your lifestyle, you can reach our team at 330-403-1330 or visit toughdeckbuildersakronoh.com. At Tough Deck Builders Akron OH, we help homeowners match materials to how they actually use and care for their decks, so expectations and reality line up. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Akron OH. Join us next time as we continue exploring practical ways to design, build, and maintain outdoor spaces that stay strong and comfortable for years.